Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale trading strategies with TD Ameritrade, beginner guide step by step clearly. To scale your trading strategies with TD Ameritrade, start by establishing your trading goals. Define whether you are looking for short-term gains or long-term investments. Next, open a TD Ameritrade account if you haven't already done so. Navigate to the TD Ameritrade website and select Open New Account. Follow the prompts to complete your account registration. Once your account is set up, familiarize yourself with the TD Ameritrade platform. Log into your account and explore the features available to you. Take advantage of the thinkorswim platform for advanced trading tools. Learn how to use charting tools to analyze market trends. Identify the specific trading strategy you want to scale. Research various strategies like day trading, swing trading, or options trading. Select a strategy that fits your risk tolerance and investment goals. Backtest your chosen strategy using historical data available on the platform. Use the thinkorswim paper money feature to practice without risking real money. Once confident, start executing trades with small amounts to minimize risk. As you gain experience and confidence, gradually increase your trade sizes. Monitor your trades closely and adapt your strategies as necessary. Keep track of your performance using TD Ameritrade's reporting tools. Make adjustments to your strategy based on market changes and personal performance. Stay informed on market news and economic indicators that may affect your trades. Regularly review your goals and adapt your trading strategies accordingly. Consider attending TD Ameritrade's educational webinars and workshops for further learning. Engage with the trading community through forums and social media. Always keep a disciplined approach to risk management in your trading. Celebrate your successes and learn from your setbacks along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.